So we are getting started with creating your first React application. And in order to create your first React application, you have to download Node.js. If you have the Node.js already, then you can skip this step. Otherwise, this is 2024 and almost the end of 2024, and we are installing Node.js version 20.180 or 20.18.0. So we are in the official website of Node.js, and from here we have downloaded this, and from here you have to simply run this installer. I am in the side Windows computer. If you have any other computer, you have to select the version accordingly as per your computer's operating system. It will install Node.js in C program files.js. If you want to change, you can change. Otherwise, you can keep the same and simply install. And Node.js version 20.18.0 has been installed successfully.